So today we'll be seeing how do we create a quiz in MS Forms. We have to go to forms.microsoft.com, and if you have a Microsoft account, you must log in. And since I'm already logged in, you can see my account here. And here, unlike Google Forms, we get two things. One is a form and a quiz. The only difference is you can give a score or a points to the multiple choice question or a short answer question. So now we are looking to how to create a quiz. So we click on New Quiz, and we click on Untitled Quiz. So we give a title, Sample Question Paper. We can give a description, answer for multiple choice questions, so on, etc. And we're add new question, and we have choice text. Text is a short answer question, and we have ratings kind of a question, a date as an answer, and we have ranking, we have Likert, and we have file upload and net promoter score, and to add a new section. So now we're choosing multiple choice. Question number 1. Where is chicken pizza located? Mexico. Second option is Chile. Third option, it gives you, or it also prompts you a matching matching choices, so that you can directly choose from this. We give China, we give Venezuela, and then if you move your mouse, you see the tick marks. So if you click the correct answer, it would remember the answer, the correct answer, and you can give points. This carries 1 mark, and you have to enable shuffle options, so that the options are always shuffled. And you can also give this is now as multiple choice, but you can also give them as a drop down, so that they will be like choosing from a drop down menu. I'm removing the drop down for now, and conveniently there is this copy option. So you copy the question, and the second question, where is Eiffel Tower located? Paris. We give Ecuador, we give London, and we give San Diego. We give San Francisco. Okay, and we are again copying, and the third question is which month comes after May? June, July, August, September. Correct answer is June. We clicked here for June, and now we are adding a question, a text question. Who is the author of Sparkling Nexus? I know nobody knows the answer. The answer is Kalyan, or you can also add an answer Kalyan, or you can also answer Teja. So someone who gives an answer more or less like this would get a correct score. So this is 1 mark, and this can be a restriction, so that you can add either the answer to be a number, or the answer can be greater than particular number, or smaller than, or equal to, or between these two numbers. Or you can remove the restrictions. as we see, this MS Forms is not as convenient or as flexible as Google, but the layout seems pretty much similar with not many options. So we'll try to add another question, file upload. So the files would be saved in your OneDrive, the same account that you're opening MS Forms from. So we'll give please answer any one question and you will give one, explain Hamilton theory. 2, explain color theory. So if you just want a file to be uploaded, you can select the limit of the file from 10 MB to 100 MB and also 1 GB. There's no much flexibility to give 50 MB or 5 MB, unlike Google Forms again. I'm giving 10 points for this, and you can make this as mandatory question, that's up to you, and you can also give a subtitle and you can give description. I'm giving write on an A4 and upload the document as .pdf. So I'll restrict my people only to give a PDF in this question. I'm giving file type here and I'm choosing only PDF. And add new question. That's pretty much about all the types. You can add another section, but if you add another section, you cannot able to shuffle your questions. Now if you look at the theme, you can choose colors, or you can add a customized background wallpaper. I'm going with orange, and let's look into this general settings by clicking the 3 dots here, settings. The quizzes option for the quiz to show results automatically after the submission. If it's enabled, students or the people who are attending the quiz will instantly get the results. So you're disabling it for now. And who will be filling the form? Anyone who has the link, or only the people of that particular organization can respond? So if I click this, you can also give an option to record name and only 1 response per person. And if you remove the tick for the accept responses, the form will no longer accept any responses. It would be disabled. So now and you can also set a start date and end date. So I'm setting say start date is now and the end date can be after 1 hour. And I can shuffle questions because I didn't add sections. If I add sections, like part A, part B, or page 1, page 2, you cannot shuffle questions. This is one disadvantages or pro cons for MS Forms over Google Forms. You can also lock particular questions. If you want the first question to be always in the first place, you can lock. So I've given only 5-5, which means the 5th question is always locked. And you can give a customized thank you. So thanks, or I'll just leave it that way. Your response is submitted. We will get back to you soon. And you can send an email notification to respondents. Get email for each response that someone has responded. And yeah, let's look at the preview. You can look at the preview for computer version and mobile version. This is one comfortable factor. You can actually have a mobile shown here and you'll see. Now let's see for mobile, how does it look? Yeah, you choose option Chile and Paris, and for say I'm giving a wrong answer, August, and then here KL, KT, and I have to upload a file. So say I have uploaded a sample file here. Oh, the file exceeds maximum limit. I don't know where there are smaller files. I don't know where a small PDF. Oh my god. Okay, I've got a small PDF here, and then I'm clicking on submit. The form is not started yet, so I didn't set the time for the form, so it says the form has not started yet. You also have this immersive reader, so that helps you to read the text that is on the quiz.
2. Where is Eiffel Tower located? 1 point. San Francisco.
Yeah, stop the Immersive Reader. And we don't really use this now. We just have the form, and you can also see your responses here. As of now, there's no response because we have given a particular time for the form. And this is how simple it's to create a form. And if you want to add sections, you just have to click on some question and then go here or add new. What you're adding is a section. So section is added. You can give part B. This is automatically comes as section 2 because the first one is considered as section 1, and 20 marks. So if you go to the part section 1, how do you rename section 1? A lot of people click here and see duplicate section, remove the section and move the section. If you click remove the section, you have a choice to remove all the questions in the section or just the title of the section. So when you have to give part A, the trick is to click on the empty space here. If you move your mouse over here, you automatically get this gray bar, and you click on that and you give here part A. This is not very user friendly in MS Forms, but once you use it, it's more user friendly. The interface doesn't have so many options to show, so you would know how to work on with ease. 10 or 14 marks. So let me remove the timings and try to give a preview quiz. I'm giving a mobile preview. Venezuela, wrong answer, and I'm choosing Paris, which is correct answer. I'm choosing June, which is correct answer, and Kal, which is correct answer. And I'm uploading the same file again. And next, yeah, it asks part B is 20 marks, but there's nothing in part B, so submit. See, thanks, your response was submitted. We'll get back to you soon. So that's how it shows. And when I go back, I see here one response already here. So I click on the response. You have pie charts for everything. This analytics is really good, and you can actually click on your more details. You can see your files right away here, or you can view them in the folder, which is easy for someone to correct. And so the average score is 2 because we have not corrected. So review answers, if you give, you can see 2 points for this. If you can overwrite the answers if you really wish to. That's up to you. And here I've given 1 point, and for this 10 points I've given 7 points. So review next. You can also give comments here. Good one, wrong, so wrong. So it gets saved and be sent to the student. So if you go back and if you look at the scores, my scores is updated, it's 11. And you can also open them in Excel and see. So it's very easy to create a form. First you go to MS Forms and you click on the new quiz, and the quiz opens. You rename the title, and then just click on add new, choose multiple choice, and that's all. Your form is automatically saved, and you can always see it in My Forms. Do not move this to your group forms, although if it belongs to any of the group in your institution, or just keep it here so that when you use it through other means, it always duplicates this form, which is really a very good option in MS Teams or MS Forms. Thank you. Thanks a lot.